1. We can create an atlas with many images. 2. This way we don't have to load a lot of small images. An atlas image will have a text file indicating the names of the individual images and their positions and sizes. 3. In Python 2.7 Kivy, there is a file called altas.py. It can be used to create atlas files. The reason it is version 2.7 and not Python 3 versions is because of an old library, PIL, which stands for Python Imaging Library. The Kivy developers are correcting this for future versions, so it does not depend on PIL. 4. Assuming you have installed both Python 2.7 and also PIL, the slightly modified file altas.py file can be used, and which is on Blogspot. You can have different Python versions installed in your system. When Python 2.7 is installed, it will be installed to C // Python 27. During the PIL setup, make sure it indicates the correct directory. 5. A file, create altas.py, uses the file altas.py to create atlases. These are the imports. The future import is only for the print statements. Beside altas.py module, the SYS and OS modules are needed for system and operating system functions. 6. We require 3 parameters in this Python program. The out name indicates the name of the atlas file. The variable .ext indicates what kind of image files we have. Finally, the size indicates the size of the resulting image files. Here, you could also have put in 256, and that would be understood to be 256, 256. 7. In the list fields, we have the names of all the files in current directory. This will include both image and non-image files. Next, in file names, only the elements that are actually images with correct extension are retained. 8. The only function in the modified atlas module is create and, which requires 3 parameters. The default padding, which is 2 pixels between images, was used. 9. Finally, there are printouts indicating the name of the main atlas file, which is the text file in JSON format. It also indicates how many images are in the atlas. If the size is large enough, it should be only 1 file. 10. Here, we can see the text file ABC Atlas has been created, as well as the image file ABC0.png. This image contains the original 3 images. 11. This shows a part of ABC Atlas. First, we have the image file name, and then the images and bounding boxes. Note, this bounding box is 64 by 64, the size of the image. 12. You can find additional information including the source code at pythonmobile.blogspot.com.